Hello, welcome sa ating Sari-Sari Store POS system. This system is designed using Google Sheets plus Google Apps Script. So perfect ito para sa Sari-Sari Store, mini grocery, convenience store at iba pang small businesses. So ito ang ating dashboard. Dito makikita natin ang ating daily sales, ang ating total transactions, ang ating products, ang ating inventory value. You can also see our number of low stock items and then low stock alert, and then our top selling products. So dito naman sa products, dito tayo mag-add ng products. So SKU is automatically generated, and then we can input the barcode here, for example. Then product name, and then vendor, and then the cost. So halimbawa, and then your selling price, and then yung quantity, kung lang yung stock nyo, and then yung reorder level. So ito yung number of stock na need nyo nang i-restock ulit yung item. So just click save product. Save successfully, then just click OK. And then automatic siya dito mag-add yung product. Yan. So you can also edit and delete. Then let's go to point of sale. So dito, first is search the item. You can search via SKU, barcode, or product name. So let's, for example, search this one. So dito, just click this. And then dito mag-add siya sa cart. Then makikita natin yung price and quantity. So ilan pwede natin yung mag-add tayo ng quantity, and then pwede din nating bawasan. So dito makikita natin yung resibo. So name of product, and then quantity, and then the price, and then subtotal. You can also input tax here, and then if may discount, you can also input the discount, and then automatic na magko-compute si system. So dito, total is 60 since tatlo, and then 20 each, and then lagay nyo lang dito kung magkano yung cash na na-receive, and then ito yung sukli. So just click pay button, and then automatic na lalabas yung resibo. So dito automatic na mag-generate si system ng receipt number, and then makikita natin yung date dito at yung time. So dito naman yung list of items, and then dito is yung subtotal and the total. You can also print the receipt or just complete sale. If ayaw nyong i-print yung receipt, pwede rin naman. So let's, for example, click natin yung print. So dito, automatic na lalabas yung, yan, pwede natin siyang i-print. At you can choose ano yung paper size. Yan. Then just click complete sale. Transaction completed. Yan. So automatic na nababawasan na yung inventory natin. And then tingnan natin dito sa ating inventory. So dito kanina si sell ka na inad natin. Yan. So nag-add tayo ng 50 kanina, and then since nag-transact tayo ng tatlo, so nabawasan siya. Yan. So may mga added products na ako dito. This one. So dito makikita natin yung status. So kaya siya naging low stocks kasi dito sa reorder level natin nilagyan natin na 21. Then yung natira is 14 na lang. Kaya siya low stock. Then dito naman kung mag-adjust kayo ng inventory, just click inventory adjustment and then search product. So yan. Ito si Silka. So kung gusto niyo siyang i-adjust, like may na-damage na isa or nawala, yan. So lagyan natin ng dalawa. Just click save. So, dito, automatic na mababawasan na yung inventory. Yan. Punta naman tayo sa sales history. So, dito, makikita natin lahat ng transaction. So, dito kanina, meron tayong transaction na. So, we can also view this what type of transaction. Yan. Makikita natin yung receipt number and then ano yung klaseng product. So, dito, pwede din natin i-search yung receipt. Yan. Kung may receipt number kayo, search nyo lang. Yan, lalabas siya. So, dito naman, punta tayo sa financial. Dito pwede nyo, kung gusto nyo i-track yung pera ng business nyo, pwede rin. So, just add transaction. So, dito is mag-add kayo ng cash in or cash out. Kung cash in, dito, lagay nyo lang what type of transaction yan. So, ayan. So, for example, for this day, may sale tayo na 2,000. So, ayan. Save lang. Automatic siya dito. Makikita natin sa cash in. Mag-add. Ayan. 2,000. And then, meron tayong in-add. Kaya naging 3,700. So, mag-add naman tayo ng cash out. So, for example, ayan. Just choose what type of transaction. So, for example, utilities. Just click save. So, automatic andito siya. You can also filter